Here in San Diego, we're in a unique position because our utility rates are so high and the cost of solar and storage has really come down over the last few years. It's not difficult to eliminate an electric bill now with a system that can save you, hundreds of dollars or more on your utility bill. My name is Pey Shadzi with Cosmic Solar and Roofing. We're a Vista-based solar installation company. We've been around since 2007, and we've installed over 6,500 projects all throughout Southern California. When we saw the Franklin product, I was really excited because it's something that I wanted to put in my own home. So I talked with our rep at Franklin, and I purchased a system that I put in my home for whole home backup. When I think about why Franklin is a great product is we just haven't had issues with it. We've worked with so many manufacturers over the years. We've had some manufacturers with failure with their parts as high as 50%, meaning every 2 inverters we install, we have to go change 1 out. Having a product that you can put in and just trust that it's gonna work, and we haven't had any failures with the last 4 years. That's huge to me. There's a lot of value in that as a business, and I think it's good for the customer, it's good for the business, good for our employees, and it's good for the manufacturers. In talking to our customers and potential leads is everyone's always interested where the products are made. Everyone wants to support products that are made in the United States and specifically made in our state. Franklin has decided to move much of their manufacturing to California, and I think that's a good move because it'll be better in the end for our customers. They'll be getting a local product, creating local jobs. Financially, it just creates a good situation for our whole community and helps. One of the best things about Franklin is their service team. They're very responsive. They're available 7 days a week. On a Sunday, you can email them and they'll email you back. There's no other manufacturer that'll do something like that. Everyone's gonna be installing batteries. I'm encouraged by how many batteries have been put into the field over the last couple of years and the adoption rates of solar and storage. Almost every solar system we sell now has a battery attached to it. And those batteries are doing great things for our clients and making their energy more secure and saving them money. So I'm excited to see the future of batteries and how the technology will evolve and improve. For me, that's my hope for the future is we continue to push battery technology, get batteries in more homes and make it more affordable.